Leaky coax is a type of coaxial cable specifically designed to allow electromagnetic radiation to leak out through its outer conductor. This leaked radiation can then be harnessed to provide cellular coverage in areas where traditional antennas might not be suitable due to signal blockage or other factors. The hardware required for a typical leaky coax system includes firstly, the leaky coax cable itself. This is the primary component and is installed along the walls or ceilings of the area where coverage is desired. Secondly, a distribution amplifier. This device amplifies the cellular signal that is received by the leaky coax cable and then distributes it to multiple output ports. Thirdly, antennas or outlets. These are connected to the output ports of the distribution amplifier and they radiate the cellular signal to devices that are in the coverage area. There are different types of hardware available for leaky coax systems. These include firstly, active antennas. These antennas have built-in amplifiers to enhance the cellular signal. Secondly, passive antennas. These antennas do not have built-in amplifiers and they rely on the signal strength that's coming from the distribution amplifier. And thirdly, outlets. These outlets provide a convenient way to connect devices to the cellular network, and they do this without the need for external antennas. Leaky coax systems can be effective in providing cellular coverage where traditional antennas are not suitable. However, the effectiveness of a leaky coax system depends on several key factors. These include firstly, building materials. Buildings that are constructed with certain materials, such as concrete or metal, can significantly block cellular signals, thereby affecting the system's performance. Secondly, signal strength. The strength of the existing cellular signal in the area is critical, as it directly impacts the coverage that the leaky coax system can provide. Thirdly, system design. The design of the leaky coax system, including the placement of the cable and the antennas, is crucial for ensuring optimal performance. The system requires careful planning and installation to ensure the best possible results. The cost of implementing a leaky coax system can vary significantly. This depends on the size of the area that needs coverage and the type of hardware that is used. It is highly recommended to consult with a qualified installer or network engineer to accurately determine the feasibility and the cost of implementing a leaky coax system for a specific location.